Hey guys, Deirdre Lane from Earth Clinic. I'm going to show you how to make a solution of borax that women typically take that will provide 55 milligrams of boron per the liter that they're going to drink throughout the day. Take 1/8 of a teaspoon of borax, add a little hot water to dissolve the borax. Now fill up the rest of your jar with filtered water. Stir again. Remember, this solution is going to give me 55 milligrams of boron. You're going to sip it slowly throughout the day. Don't rush it. Boron is water soluble, so if you drank this whole thing at once, it would mostly get flushed from your system. So sip it slowly. Do this 5 days in a row. Take 2 days off, Monday through Friday. Take the weekend off. Cheers. I hope you liked this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. And subscribe to Earth Clinic's YouTube channel for more interesting health videos.
Get it right.